everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Finally, I'm making limoncello. I'm super excited. Big shout out, AK. Thank you for shipping these beautiful lemons from California. My daughter for picking them, and they're from Brian's tree. Wonderful. It takes a whole community to make limoncello. I love it. Okay, let's get started. This is the recipe from Italy, so I am going to be doing it with you with American measurements. So I have a bottle of 750 mLs of Everclear. If you don't find the Everclear, you could also use plain vodka. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure it here in my measuring cup. In a large jar, it's 3 1/3 cup. And I'm going to add it right in. Okay, now I'm going to move this on the side, and I'm going to talk a little bit about, these were picked fresh, so you see they still have the dirt. So the best way to do them, have them in water, and then with a little bit, with a vegetable brush, scrape the lemons and make sure all the debris is off of them, okay? Now the next thing is start peeling the lemon peel, okay? What you want to do is not push down hard, because you don't want to get the white part, the pith, on the lemon. That's a very hard word for me. What I'm going to do is also weigh the lemon skin so I could give you precise measurements so your limoncello could be a success. Three ounces of peeled lemon, and here it goes right in. And now I'm going to seal it, and it needs to be kept in a cool, dry place. I like to wrap mine in aluminum foil so that no light hits it, and I'm gonna store it in my pantry. I'm gonna cut a lemon. I want to show you. This is exactly what they look like in Italy. They're beautiful and juicy. You could actually eat them like an orange, and the flavor is unbelievable. Anyway, see you soon. Let's leave it like this, and meet you back in a few days. Okay, 7 days have passed. I left it 7 days. Even 5 days works. Okay, it was sitting in the dark. Look at this beautiful yellow color. Okay, so now the next step is going to be, let's get the sugar dissolved in the water over the stove. Medium high heat, water, pour the sugar in, and let it come to a boil. And that's how you're going to make the simple syrup that you need to make the limoncello. Okay, sugar is all dissolved, it's boiling. Shut it off and let it cool down completely before you proceed. Oh, smells divine. Let's go ahead and filter the skin out of them and mix everything together. Okay. So this we're just going to move out. Okay, let's just add it into the large container. It's just easier to work with it. But I want you to take a look at this beautiful color of the limoncello. Now, a lot of times you're going to see like a little bit of, if your lemons were a little green, you're going to have like an oily film on it. But that's only from the lemon. It's all good. Just mix it up. And it's fine. So now we're going to go ahead and bottle the limoncello. And I need to be very careful when we do this. Slowly just fill up the bottles that you want to store. Let's get the second bottle filled. Now, just smelling this, I'm smiling from here to Italy, because in the area of Sorrento, the lemons are beautiful, and this is what it reminds me of home. It really does. My aunt would always make it for me. And she would also make me the mandarinetto, which was made with the mandarins. And I like that very much. Also, another great idea. Hold on, I don't want to spill it out. Okay. Another great idea. If you're having a bridal shower or an occasion when you need to give away little gifts, you just could make small bottles of limoncello. Things like this, they get used, people appreciate it and enjoy it. So here I have the 2 bottle and a little bit more. I'm just going to put it in a smaller bottle. Now, you could seal them, okay, and keep it in the freezer. It will not spoil. So we made, each bottle is 750 mLs. So we made 2 bottles and we have a little bit left over. So let's go ahead and taste it. Keep the limoncello in the freezer, and I also keep the little shot glasses in the freezer. I purchased these in Italy. It's interesting how many things we bring back that we enjoy once we're here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pour myself a little shot of the limoncello. Salute. Thank you for watching. Arrivederci. Alla prossima. Ciao, ciao. Wait a minute. Let me taste it. Delizioso. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this with my family now. Grazie. Arrivederci.
Hello from sunny California. My mom is making limoncello and she requested that I bring lemons from California to New Jersey so she can make nice limoncello with good lemons, nice fresh lemons right off the tree. So she requested I'm gonna have to pick some, but for the sake of the video we'll do a couple. I don't even know which one to pick because they're all so beautiful. Let's do this one. Let's see. Good. Here's one.
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Lemons. Proprio dalla California.
From California.
Grazie. Follow, please follow. Alessandra's Food is Love. We have a juggler here. And this is our lemon tree. So beautiful.